Hello YouTube. I watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube and I thought I'd pay it back by adding my own. I noticed that there's no other videos kind of showing this, just a trick on my 2013 Chevy. Got the transmission control module that doesn't work anymore, so I've ordered a new one, and there's a trick to getting this thing off, and the trick is to slide this red part up, and then right in the center right there, there's a kind of a button. You push that in and pull out on the gray part, and of course it's not going to do it for me now. Once you do that, this whole lever will pop up and you can see the whole wiring harness starts moving. So that was it, under a minute. Hope it helps somebody. Bye.